Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dr. Praise on the beat. Àlàáfíà. Áńgẹ́lì mi ò ní sùn. Oríwo ya ògùn wa tán. Lọ́la kó bá yà kún Ọlọ́run ọba. Ewé ń jẹ́. Lọ́la kó bá yà kún Ọlọ́run ọba. Ewé ń jẹ́. Ewé á jẹ́. Ewé ń jẹ́. Àwọn olórí bá bọ́ sóhun mi lòjọ́ dìbò. Ewé ń jẹ́. Ewé. Alawalu, alakiru, asọhiru, abatinu, Ọlọ́run ọba. Ìwọ ló pamọ́, ìwọ ló fara jáde. Alárágbá yìí dániyàn, ara tó wù ọ́ dáadáa ló dẹ̀ ń dá. Èyí tó ní káwa máa fẹ́ wé dá ládẹ̀ fi dá. Ìwọ ṣàlọ́ ní.
I want to quickly explain how to use clove. 7 pieces of clove, coins of your country, any denomination, and sea salt. If you believe that someone has placed curse on you or someone has bewitched you from your child, you understand, you can use it. Like even if you have a bad dreams, you can also use it. You understand? You have problem with your work, with your job, you understand, or anything that maybe if you don't understand anything about your life, you have a spiritual problem, you understand, you can use this. If you have any blockage in your life, financial issue, you can also use it, and it also serve as back to sender. Are you with me? If you believe that someone is behind your progress, your destiny, you understand, please try this simple recipe. By the grace of Almighty God, you surely share me a good testimony. So how to do it and how to use it. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dr. Muti Olatiboye, also known as Babewinge. If today is your first time here, everything I do here is to share spiritual tips, just like the one I want to share with you right now. And if you find this video very interesting, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and make sure you turn on the notification bell. So anytime, any day, any hours I post video like this, you'll be the first person to watch. And if you need more of my videos, you are free to go back to my previous video. You see a lot of video there that can help your spiritual life. If you don't understand, please feel free to call me on 070-3742-2552, or you message me on WhatsApp 090-5333-2747. So in today's video, I want to share with you how to use 7 pieces of clove. 7. You need 7. You need 7 pieces of this clove. You understand? And coins of your country, any denomination. You understand? And sea salt. You understand? You are not allowed to use cooking salt. Buy sea salt. You understand? So this clove, you are going to powder it. You blend it very well. Powder it. You know the powder will be very small. You understand? So get a big empty rubber. A big empty rubber. You understand? You put the powder. Put this powder in the empty bucket of water. You understand? So when you put the powder of clove, then put the coin on top of the powder. Then you now cover the coins with sea salt. Cover it. You allow it for either 1 day or 1 hour. You understand? So after 1 hour, take the bucket of the water and you fill it with water. You understand what I'm saying? Fill it with water. And if you are a Muslim, you recite Surah Al-Ikhlas like 111 or 1 time. If you're a Christian, read Psalm 1. You understand? So after that, take it to your bedroom and use it to wash every part of your body. Use it to wash every part of your body. You understand? So the coin, these coins, you take it, you can put it in your pocket, in your purse, or you put it in your pillow. You understand? By the grace of Almighty God, when you do this simple recipe, these 3 materials, when you do it, by the grace of Almighty God, you share me a good testimony. By the grace of Almighty God, it's very simple and very, very effective, only if you follow the simple instruction. So if you don't understand, you can call me on 070-3742-2552, or you message me on WhatsApp 090-5333-2747. So thank you very much. Èyí tó ń bára sọ ní òní ni bí a ṣe mú ọwọ́ burúkú kúrò lára, tí a ṣe máa ń fi gbogbo nǹkan tí ọ̀tá fi kàn wá tí kò dáa, tá a máa fi ń dá padà fún ọ̀tá ní agbára Ọlọ́run. Orúkọ mi náà ni Muti Olatiboye. tí ayé mọ̀ sí ewé ń jẹ́. Èyí tá a mú wá fún wa lẹ́yìn níbi àti ń lo sea salt, àwọn tó máa ń ta jollof rice material ẹ bèrè lọ́wọ́ wọn, àti owó coins tá à ń ná lu wa, àti kànáfùrù ẹyọ méje. Kànáfùrù yìí á lọ tí ó kùnà, tó bá ti kùnà ẹ jẹ́ ká wá empty rubber kan, ẹ wá jẹ́ ká da powder yẹn, ẹ jẹ́ ká da sínú empty rubber yẹn. Tá bá ti lọ, tó bá ti kùnà, tá bá ti dá sí coins yẹn, ẹ jẹ́ ká gbélé lórí. Tá bá ti gbélé lórí ẹ wá jẹ́ ká da sea salt yẹn ká fi bò kó bò dáadáa bí ṣíbí mẹ́ta kó bò. Tó bá ti wá bò ẹ jẹ́ ká gbé kalẹ̀ fún bí 24 hours tàbí ká gbé kalẹ̀ fún 1 hour. After 1 hour ẹ jẹ́ ká da omi lé lórí. Tá bá ti da omi lé lórí, tó bá yẹ pé mùsùlùmí ni wá, ẹ jẹ́ ká ka Suratul Ikhlas nígbà 111 tàbí ká kà lẹ́ẹ̀kan péré. Tó bá yẹ pé Christian ni wá ni ẹ jẹ́ ká ka Psalm 1. Tá bá ti wá kà tán bẹ́ẹ̀, ẹ jẹ́ ká gbé omi tún ká wá fi omi yẹn ká fi sanra. Tá bá ti fi sanra tán yẹn mi, ẹ jẹ́ ká mú coin yìí, ẹ jẹ́ ká mú ká fi sí inú pillow wa, ká a lè rán pa síbẹ̀, sọ̀rọ̀ mi ti yé, tàbí ká fi sínú purse, sọ̀rọ̀ mi ti yé. Kò jù bẹ́ẹ̀ náà lọ, wàláhì àṣírí ni kì í ṣoògùn, àṣírí sì ni bàbá ogun. Àdúrà gbọ́ lónìí fi wálẹ̀ o. Èmi náà lọ́mọ yín àbúrò mi lólùfẹ́ yín Dr. Mutiu Ọlátìbóyè, ayé màá sì wọ́n jẹ́ tó bá dìgbà mi. A tún mọ́rọ̀ mi tó tún yàtọ̀ sílẹ̀ wá. Ẹ má gbàgbé láti subscribe sórí tó kílíkù fún ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àǹfààní lọ́wọ́n kan mi ìta àṣà àtẹ̀yí tàṣẹ torí pé ìta àṣẹ pọ̀ ju ìta àṣẹ.
lọ́la kó bá yà kún ọlọ́run ọba. ewé ń jẹ́. lọ́la kó bá yà kún ọlọ́run ọba. ewé ń jẹ́. ewé ajẹ́. ewé ń jẹ́. àwọn lèmi dábọ̀ sóhun mi lò jọ dìgbọ́. ewé ń jẹ́. ewé. La ilaha illallah. Alawalu, alakiru, asọhiru, abatinu, ọlọ́run ọba. Ìwọ ló pamọ́, ìwọ ló fara jáde. Alárágbá yìí dániyàn, ara tó wù ọ́ dáadáa ló dẹ̀ ń dán. Èyí tó ní káwa máa fẹ́ wé dá ládẹ̀ fi dá. Ìwọ ṣàlò ní kọ́kọ́rọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀mí nìyẹn. Fásikúrú ni wọ́n síkúrú ni wọ́n nínú ìsìnkú. Láfi ń ṣe tiwa, ewé jẹ́ òbẹ̀. Èyí tó dá fún wa ládẹ̀ gbójúlé, èyí tó ní ká ló ládẹ̀ ń lò. Ọba ńlá ń dákun máa jẹ́ ká ṣiṣẹ́, ọba tó rí gbogbo ẹ̀dá ta ò rí. Ìwọ lọ́ba tá ń gbàṣẹ lọ́dọ̀ rẹ̀, à ń bẹ̀ ọ́, à ń bẹ̀ ọ́, à ń bẹ̀ ọ́.